What's up there, guys? How you doing? I'm back. Been ill the last month or so. Feels like I've been busy and that lot, so sorry about the uploads. I'm back now. Hopefully it'll be a regular process. I've got about 5 brand new poems, so hopefully you'll enjoy them. No, they would have been worth the wait. This one's called Mum, My Heavenly Angel. I dearly do miss Mum, my heavenly angel. I could fill the Grand Canyon with tears I spill. I miss the sparkle in Mum's joyful twin eyes. She was endlessly kind, the SOS of my life. I know I rarely visit your graveside now, but you're not there anyhow, you're dancing on clouds. My body is the chain and heart is my locket. You lay in my heart, my red pumping pocket. I feel safe in your arms. I felt safe in your arms. I'm sure I'll survive. You're the eternal flame of soul I keep fully alive. You're beside me in mind when I sing Meatloaf. I rock it wild and with passion for us both. I miss you coming home and the fun we shared, like dancing and Yahtzee. Now I'm all ill prepared. I truly miss your cuddles and holding your hand also. Nothing nicer than your arms were around me, Mum. You walk the clouds, Mum. My heavenly angel you are. In the darkest sky, you're the brightest golden star. By Bob Rainsbury. Poetry strikes chord, no instrument can play. My inspirations are Morrissey and William Wordsworth. And this poem is all of them, it's text by copyright. If you go on Facebook, guys, and type in Bobby's Poetry page, you'll see lots more of my work on there, which I hope you enjoy. All the best, guys. Take care. You're brilliant. See ya.